it's a bell crown. With a bell dress.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
And bell shoes.
This one.
Oh, they're beautiful.
No, they're Emma Claire shoes.
What's the surprise? What's the prize?
Oh,
Oh,
look at that.
Good idea. Good idea. Good idea.
Okay. Okay, let's take your shirt off here.
Here, I'll
No,
help
leave
you.
your dress on.
I'll
I
help
think
you.
this will fit over your dress.
I'll help you.
Come here.
No. This is made for foot.
Oh, that one's yours. This one's. Okay.
I'm a good people.
Yep. Come here.
Emma and Claire are going to be beautiful. Aren't they? Huh?
Oh
Let's see.
my goodness.
Let's see. This one goes on this foot. Claire.
Okay,
There.
and then you have to go get your shoes.
Yeah, that's my pretty shoes.
Can you get them done? Huh? We're too excited here. Got all your
They're
toes in
doing
there?
tight shoes.
Got all your toes in there?
Ooh,
They in
they're
there?
not
Huh?
careful.
No,
Yes.
they're not.
Oh, Emma, you look so beautiful.
Yeah, this is my
There they are.
And the bell
Oh,
dress.
there. Aren't they beautiful?
Isn't that
Huh?
baby.
Oh, wow. They're beautiful.
Emma, step back so I can see your bell dress.